Good morning, children. Yesterday we saw that in any chemical reaction at equilibrium, if solid is there, then the concentration of solid is constant. So it is not taken into consideration while calculating the Kc. Like if I tell you one reaction, nickel solid plus carbon monoxide will give us nickel tetracarbonyl. Okay. So what we see, this is the gaseous state, this is also the gaseous state, but this is the solid state. So equilibrium constant will be written as NiCO4 concentration divided by CO concentration raised to 4. Why it is like this? Why we will ignore this? Because nickel is in solid phase, so its concentration will be constant. Now we will see that one reaction is there, that is Ag2O plus HNO3. Ag2O is in solid state, silver oxide. HNO3 aqueous होगा, liquid है मालूम है, acid है. Then it will form AgNO3. 2 है तो 2 लगा दो, 2 AgNO3, and this is also in aqueous state, and plus H2O, that is already a liquid. So in this case heterogeneous equilibrium is there, pure solid. Existence of heterogeneous equilibrium में pure solid or liquid must also be present, however small amount may be at equilibrium, but their concentration or partial pressure do not appear in the expression. So here we see aqueous and liquid and solid. So here we will write Kc is equal to AgNO3 raised to 2 divided by HNO3. Why we have written this? Because it is in aqueous form, that is water is mixed. Here also aqueous form, that is water is mixed. So Kc will be given like this. Pure solid या pure liquid जो होता है उसको नहीं consider करते because their concentration is fixed. Here it is in aqueous form, that means water is mixed. Now comes another topic, that is known as applications of equilibrium constant. Certain points are written in our textbook, you can read directly from the textbook. First point is expression for equilibrium constant is applicable only when concentration of reactant and product have attained constant value at equilibrium state. So constant value, पूरे full points तो book से learn करोगे. Constant value at equilibrium state. Second point is the value of equilibrium constant is independent of initial concentration of reactant and product. Equilibrium constant is temperature dependent, having one unique value for a particular reaction represented by a balanced equation at a given temperature. So it is temperature dependent. Right? Then fourth one is the equilibrium constant for the reverse reaction is equal to the inverse of equilibrium constant for the forward reaction. So Kc for reverse reaction is equal to Kc for forward reaction. Inverse of Kc of forward reaction. Last point is the equilibrium constant K for a reaction is related to equilibrium constant of corresponding reaction whose equation is obtained by multiplying or dividing the equation for the original reaction by a small integer. So जिसका इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करने के बाद बनता है ओरिजिनल रिएक्शन को बाय स्मॉल इंटीजर, इट इज़ related to that equilibrium. Now equilibrium constant applications predict the extent of reaction on the basis of its magnitude. It predicts the extent of reaction on the basis of its magnitude. Second is it predicts the direction of the reaction, forward है या reverse है, predicts the direction of the reaction. Third one is calculate the equilibrium concentrations. Calculate concentrations. Now predicting the extent of the reaction. The extent of the reaction. What does it mean, beta? The numerical value of the equilibrium constant for a reaction, it indicates the extent of the reaction, but equilibrium constant does not give any information about the rate. It does not provide information about the rate at which equilibrium is reached. The magnitude of Kc और Kp is directly proportional to the concentration. अभी पहले हमने बताया है. So if first point याद ध्यान रखना, if Kc is greater than 10 raised to power 3, then products predominate over reactants. ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट बनेंगे. Products formation will be more. Formation will be more. It predominates over reactants. ठीक है. If Kc is very large, that means reaction is about to complete. Kc is very large, the reaction proceeds towards completion. Complete होने को आया है. Proceeds towards completion. Right? Like एक दो एग्जाम्पल इसमें दिया हुआ है बुक में. That is the reaction of H2 and O2 at 500 Kelvin. H2 plus O2 at 500 Kelvin will give us H2O, and here Kc is equal to 2.4 into 10 raised to power 47. That means very high value. Then second example is H2 plus Cl2. इसको गैसियस स्टेट है ना, दोनों गैस and here it is liquid. H2 and Cl2, it is gas, and it will form 2HCl, that is gas, at 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. Here it is Kc is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power 31. So very large value. That means reaction is about to complete. But if Kc is smaller than 10 raised to power minus 3, then the reactants predominate. Then the reactants, ये बहुत less value है, so reactants predominate over products. Because Kc is very small. ठीक है, यानी if Kc is very small, the reaction proceeds rarely. If Kc is very small, then reaction is difficult, है ना? Reaction proceeds rarely, मतलब बहुत difficult है. Example is like N2 plus O2, N2 gas plus O2 is gas is equal to nitric oxide NO gas 2NO. So it means here this is at 298 Kelvin. So here Kc is given by 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 31. You see how small the value is. Very small value. ठीक है. So when it is very small value, then we can say that the reaction occurs rarely in the forward direction. If Kc is in the range of Kc, if third point, if Kc is in the range of 10 raised to power minus 3 और 10 raised to power 3 के बीच में हो, तो क्या होगा उसका, वो उसको कहते हैं दे बोथ आर नाउ अप्रिशिएबल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, इन अप्रिशिएबल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. सो वी कैन राइट हियर कि देन अप्रिशिएबल यानी काम लायक, अप्रिशिएबल दोनों मॉडरेट अमाउंट में है. अप्रिशिएबल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एंड product are present. इसका एग्जाम्पल लिखेंगे. फॉर रिएक्शन विद H2 and I2, H2 plus I2 is HI, 2HI. So in this case Kc is 57.0 at 700 Kelvin. Kc is 57. So we can see this is the moderate value between 10 raised to power minus 3 to 10 raised to power 3. Here moderate amount of both reactant and product are present. Another example है thermal phase decomposition of N2O4 to NO2 is another example where Kc is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3, which is neither too small nor too large. Right, children? So in this way it is there. Tomorrow I will tell you how equilibrium constant helps in the prediction of direction. Okay, beta? Thank you.